Everyone, welcome to our channel. When screen mirroring from your iPhone to a TV is not working, then there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. So firstly, make sure your TV supports screen mirroring and is compatible with AirPlay for Apple devices. Then also ensure that both your iPhone and the TV should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. After that, simply restart your device. Restart both your iPhone and your TV. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many temporary connectivity issues. After that, make sure to reconnect to your screen mirroring to your TV. And if none of these work, then all you have to do is go back to the settings app on your mobile device. Then once you're inside the settings app, scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Once you're inside the general, again scroll down and tap on the transfer or reset icon. Then tap on the reset. After you tap on the reset all network settings. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.